Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 19 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. The real necklace was blank. Rose's coat pocket. A. Out of. B. In. C. Among. Correct answer, in, to show something is inside. Jack was one blank the third-class passengers. A. Behind. B. Among. C. Below. Correct answer, among, to show being part of a group. The ship's lights went blank one by one. A. On. B. Down. C. Off. Correct answer, off, to show something stopping. Rose fell blank the floating door. A. Off. B. Across. C. Around. Correct answer, off, to show falling from a surface. Jack and Rose couldn't open the door blank a key. A. Within. B. Without. C. Outside. Correct answer, without, to mean not having something. Like, comment and subscribe.